जीवन में कई यात्राएं की हैं और मैं जानता हूं कि अयोध्या की यात्रा तो एकमात्र थी जो 1990 में मैंने की थी, जब मैंने सोमनाथ से लेकर के अयोध्या की यात्रा।
Much has been spoken about the Babri Masjid demolition. There have been books, debates, films, and a long drawn-out legal battles over 2.77 acres of disputed land in Ayodhya. Hear the story of what happened to voices of key players in the glimpses of Babri Masjid timeline. In the year of 1528 to 30, mosque built by Babur's commander Mir Baqi. In the year of 1850 to 85, first recorded incident of violence in Ayodhya. Mahant Raghubir Das files plea in Faizabad District Court seeking permission to build a canopy outside the Babri Masjid. In December 1949, activists break into the mosque and place idols of Rama and Sita. In the year of 1950, Gopal Singh Visharat files suit in Faizabad District Court for rights to worship the idols of Ram Lalla. In the year of 1950, Ramchandra Das Param Hassan files suit for continuation of worship and keeping the idols. In the year of 1959, Nirmohi Akhada files suit seeking possession of the site. In the year of 1981, UP Sunni Central Waqf Board files suit for possession of the site. In the year of 1986, local court allows opening of gates, lets Hindu offer prayers. In August and September 1989, Lucknow bench of the Allahabad High Court benches dispute petitions orders status quo. Rajiv government allows Vishwa Hindu Parishad's Shila Yatra but extracts promise from it to abide by court status quo order. In November 1989, court clarifies status quo was with respect to 2.77 acre proposed Shilanyas site. UP government declares this site to be non-disputed. Rajiv government lets Vishwa Hindu Parishad perform Shilanyas for temple. In the year of 1990, Advani begins Somnath to Ayodhya Rath Yatra. Riots break out in several places. He is arrested and BJP withdraws support to VP Singh. On 6th December 1992, Babri Masjid structure demolished. On 3rd April 1993, acquisition of certain area at Ayodhya Act passed for acquisition of land by center in the disputed area. In the year of 1993, various writ petitions including one by Ismail Farooqi filed at Allahabad High Court challenging various aspects of the act. On 24th October 1994, Supreme Court says in the historic Ismail Farooqi case that a mosque was not integral to Islam. In September 30, 2010, High Court in a 2-by-1 majority rules three-way division disputed area between Sunni Waqf Board, Nirmohi Akhada and Ram Lalla. On 9th May 2011, Supreme Court stays High Court verdict on Ayodhya land dispute. On 26th February 2016, Subramanian Swamy files plea in Supreme Court seeking construction of Rama temple at the dispute land. On 7th August, Supreme Court constitutes 3-judge bench to hear pleas challenging the 1994 verdict. On 1st December, 32 civil rights activists challenged 2010 High Court verdict. On 14th March 2018, Supreme Court rejects pleas, including Swamy's seeking to intervene as parties in the case. On 6th April, Rajiv Dhawan files plea in Supreme Court to refer the issue of reconsideration observations in its 1994 judgment to a large bench. On 6th July, UP tells Supreme Court some Muslims groups were trying to delay the hearing by seeking the consideration of an observation in the 1994 verdict. In July 20, Supreme Court reserves verdict. On 27 September, Supreme Court declines to refer the case to a 5-judge constitution bench. Case to be heard by a newly constituted 3-judge bench on October 29. On 9th November 2019, the Supreme Court quashed the lower court's judgment and ordered the entire site 2.77 acre land to be handed over to a trust to build a Hindu temple. It also ordered the government to give an alternative 5-acre plot to the Uttar Uttar Pradesh Sunni Central Waqf Board to replace the Babri Masjid that was demolished in 1992. The government allotted a site in the village of Dhanipur, 11 miles 18 km from Ayodhya and 19 miles 30 km by road from the site of the original Babri Masjid. Thanks for watching. Press bell icon for new update. Like, share and comment.